I just got off the phone from a discovery call with a potential client. This guy is going through the exact same thing that I was going through. He's a nutritional fitness coach, certified, and what he's finding is that because when you teach people fitness and you're in the gym and you exhaust yourself, at the end of the workout, people start opening up to you and they start telling you things that have nothing to do with fitness, dating, lifestyle, stuff like that, spirituality. And he's noticing that what he's telling every single damn person has to do with spirituality. Meditative techniques, okay? 5-dimensional awareness. And this is exactly what I went through, and is exactly why I now teach specifically meditative practices and spiritual-based beliefs and stuff like that, because it all comes back to that. It blows me away, man. It's just really cool to see somebody else finally having that, that light bulb switch in their head, and they're just like, damn, it does all come back to this. Your gym experience, your nutritional beliefs, how you treat your body, how you treat yourself, your passion and your purpose in life. It all comes back to spiritual practices. The beginning steps of this, meditation, my friend. Meditation. Very cool stuff that I share.